When we return to the story of Robert Downey Jr., drugs land the troubled actor in prison, and he reaches out to a psychiatrist for help.
I said, Robert, I believe that you had bipolar disorder. He said, yes, I do have bipolar disorder. There are periods of times that I'm so hyper and I spend a lot of money, I'm irritable, and there are periods of times that I go down.
Has certainly been Downey's shadow. 1996, the actor violated his probation when he fled from a detox center, his rehab stemming from several drug and weapons arrests, but a judge sent him back. A year later, he skipped a court-ordered drug test and spent the next 4 months in the LA County Jail. 1999, Downey skipped another drug test and was sent back to rehab. But this time, a judge gave Downey hard time, state prison for nearly 1 year.
Okay, I believe that concludes proceedings.
For past several years, he's just going through the revolving door of rehab program and being arrested, which is too sad, such a bright person, and he's not a criminal. He's a victim of the drugs.
Downey wrote to Dr. Nakaktar from prison, not as a patient, but to request information about her methods of treatment. Nakaktar never became Downey's doctor, but she believes after 3 months in her care, he would have been clean.
Nobody used drugs just for sake of using drugs. Nobody's using drugs to be arrested or saying that, being proud that I'm using drugs. They usually hide using drugs. They feel bad about using drugs. But why they use drugs? It's not a good piece of chocolate or pastry that tastes good. They use it to change their feelings. They self-medicating.